let's say your Mazda 5 door will not stay hooked open. It just does this, and it will not hook in and stay open. So we're going to come down here. You see those two bolts there. 1, 2. We're going to take those off because that is the mechanism for that thing right there. See this? This locks. If that's not locking, it should lock like that. And then it opens. So I'm going to show you how that works here. We've got one of these. We're going to take that off. So take off those two bolts. This should come right off. This one is not closing all the way. See that? That's why it's not locking. That's why your door will not stay open. So look right here. This part right here, that usually goes in that way and locks onto that little notch there. So you're just going to get some lubricant on there, smack that into there, and that should be in the correct position. Wiggle it around, and you should be good to go.